I'm Jess from Nanoleaf, and as a part of our Experience Your Space campaign, we're surprising people with a Nanoleaf room transformation. Today, we're surprising Keely, a musician, with the help of her friend Maggie. Let's go meet them and help them experience their space in a whole new way.
Hi. Come on in.
Is the coast clear?
Yeah, she's meeting with some other artists. I told her I was grabbing something I left here, so yeah.
Perfect. Let's go on in. So tell me a little bit about your friend Keely and why it should be perfect for a Nanoleaf makeover.
Well, I've known Keely for maybe over 5 years, and she's really talented. She's been making music as long as I've known her, and it's always really cool to see like what she's getting up to and the stuff that she's doing. But I know that she feels like things have gone a bit stagnant because she's been living in the same space for a long time, doing the same things, and the layout of her apartment, it's kind of limited. It's a small space, so she can't do much with it.
Right.
But then she also works really late into the night, so I thought maybe like something with lights would be kind of cool for her, because then it won't feel like it's dark and gloomy in here. It looked like that the lights react to her music, and since she makes music, that would be really cool.
Yeah.
So I just thought it would be a cool idea that if we can put it on her wall or something like that, she would really like that. So this is Keely's space. This is where she does a lot of her music. It's pretty cool, to be honest. Like, for the space that she has, it's a pretty cool setup. She's kind of limited in what she can do with it.
Right.
It's kind of been the same layout for a long time. So I was thinking, like, we could do something to kind of spice it up a little.
Something here?
Yeah.
Perfect. So where do you think we should put the panels?
We do have this space here, and it's right above where she kind of does her music stuff anyways, like while she's working, and it'll be flashing on her, so I think that'd be cool.
Perfect. Yeah, I think that's great. So today I've brought you a Nanoleaf Rhythm Smarter Kit and 2 expansion packs. The first step is going to be the design.
I really want to design something that really suits Keely's vibe, and it goes with the style of her music.
Right.
So I'm not sure in terms of like, is there set shapes we can make, or can we like do anything?
So what we'll do is we'll go into the Nanoleaf app and we'll use Layout Assistant. And by using that, we'll actually design our own shape.
I think it'd be pretty cool if we could like make a cave for Keely. Like a lot of artists have like the first letter of their name on their walls. I think that'd be pretty cool.
I think that'd be really, really cool. Let's do it.
Keely deserves this makeover because she's really hardworking, and everyone deserves something nice once in a while, and I feel like she hasn't had a chance to really treat herself because she's been working so hard recently. Sometimes when you live in a small space and that's difficult to rearrange, it can kind of run stagnant. So I thought that this would be a nice pop and a nice change in her life and give her a little bit of extra inspiration, because I know that she's working really hard to pursue her career right now.
So if you click on the rhythm section of the app, you can actually pick which scene you want to show and how it's going to react, as well as the colors that are going to react.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
I think Keely's gonna love this.
Yeah, I think so too. I think this is like the perfect addition to her studio.
Yeah.
Welcome back. How was your meeting?
It took longer than I thought.
Yeah, it's okay. I actually have a surprise for you, but you have to close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna guide you through. Keep your eyes closed, okay? You can't peek. You can't peek. Keep your eyes closed.
Then I'm gonna bump into something.
Yep, it's okay, it's your hallway. All right, you can open your eyes.
Okay.
What? Do you
Oh
like
no,
it?
that's so cool!
Isn't it awesome?
Oh my god, that's awesome! I feel super excited that Maggie gave me such an awesome surprise. I really wanted to get Nanoleafs myself, and seeing them in person is so much better than seeing them online.
They react to our voices, that's what they're going like that. It like, you can like set it, and when we talk and when you play your music.
Oh my god!
Yeah, because you were saying that your space was getting kind of boring, and I thought this would be a cute surprise for you. Do you like it?
Love it! I have a lot of friends that use them for streaming and stuff, but when you see them like in person, the color is just so much cooler. So so it's really exciting. And I love the way it reacts to music. It's gonna be super exciting to practice. They look so much cooler in real life.
They do. They're a lot bigger than I thought they were.
Yeah, me too.
Do you like the shape?
I love it. I love the
Paper Keely.
I love it.
In case that wasn't obvious. And then these are the people from Nanoleaf who helped me set it up and helped me get this ready for you.
Oh my gosh, thank you. I definitely like the way the lights make my studio feel a bit more like it's like a separate area from the rest of my house and a little more futuristic. And I think it brings all the like music gear and a ridiculous amount of screens together and makes it a little more exciting.
Now everybody wanna be me. I don't really give a about your feelings.